Hi, my name is Corbel M. Kilingin. Sa NetAcad topic na 3.2, where is big data stored? Ang idea is simple. Big data is stored in just one place. Kailangan ito ng distributed, scalable storage systems. Una, meron tayong data lakes. Dito nilalagay ang raw and unprocessed data, photos, videos, logs, sensor data, machine data. Kahit anong format, pasok dito. Next, meron tayong data warehouses. Ito naman ang storage na para sa clean, structured data na ginagamit sa reports, analytic at business decisions. Then, meron ding lake houses, combination ng data lake at data warehouse. Isang modern approach na flexible at organized at the same time. So, saan physical nakastore ang big data? Usually sa cloud platforms tulad ng Amazon, S3, Azure at Google Cloud. Pero may companies din na gumagamit ng on-premise data centers, lalo na kung mas secure o mas cost-effective para sa kanila. At para gumana lahat ito, kailangan ng distributed servers, maraming machine working together para mag-store at mag-process ng massive data amounts of data. Kaya sa NetAcad topic 3.2, ang key takeaway, big data is stored across large-scale, distributed cloud system, not on a single computer. This is how today's network and organization manage hug volumes of data. Yun lang po. Thank you po.